Good evening, guys. So we got Bitcoin still holding up exactly what we want to see right now. But let's just quickly go into the stocks and then I'll jump back into Bitcoin and break that all down for you. Because right now we have the Nasdaq. We talked about this. We said, look at this huge bullish divergence we've created on the weekly and on the extremities of the RSI. We were saying this is a huge bullish divergence and it's just bounced off the previous high. And look at the rebound we've got. We've got that, plus we've got the RSI crossing both over now. So if the weekly closes like this, we've got a confirmed uptrend now on here using the stochastic RSI. But look, we're starting to break out through this trend line now. So if this starts moving, on the weekly, this will let Bitcoin move up as well. So this is just something to notice here, because Bitcoin is holding its weight when the stocks are falling, but when the stocks start moving up, that'll give Bitcoin the go ahead to go up as well. So early days, we still have a couple more days left for this. Sorry, it should close tomorrow, but if we get a close above here, above this trend line, then we've got, it's just ticked up again, we've got a breakout happening here. So this is very good news, and this will support the bullish action that we've got on Bitcoin. So let's jump into Bitcoin. On the weekly, again, 50%. This is the 50% of the range from top to bottom. We want a close above this. We've got 3-4 days left. We want to close above this, and we want to close above the bull market support. We've got the bounce off the RSI there. We've got, have we got it? We've almost got both lines in above the oversold. So if we can just get them, both them lines over, and a close above on the weekly above all this, brilliant news for Bitcoin. Really solid performance here. So we're just waiting patiently, guys. We are waiting patiently. We've got the USD dominance breaking down. We've got the bearish divergence, and you can see here both in there now. So you can see how the stablecoin now is dumping down. It looks like a stochastic downtrend is going to happen, and you can see on Bitcoin breaking up, and you look like you've got the stochastic RSI showing an uptrend. So both charts are inverse of each other, so you should see the opposite on the charts, and that's what we're seeing here. So this is a good sign. We just want to see this weekly close, strong weekly close for Bitcoin, and hold above there. Ethereum, Bitcoin, like I said here, I'm watching this like a hawk. We've almost got a breakout here, but it's just retracing. Nothing crazy happening here, but we're so close here, guys. We're so close. But we'll keep our eye on things. You can see on the weekly, we've got one of the lowest scores here in the RSI, super low score on the stochastic RSI. That is crossing over as well for a bullish uptrend. So we'll keep our eye on this, but things are, they're slowly happening there, but we just need to see a wee bit more from Ethereum, Bitcoin. So we're on Bitcoin, we're happy with how the charts are looking, we're happy with how the candles look and the indicators are looking. So let's have a look at the liquidation. So I'll just jump off the liquidation here. I want to show you this. Daily exchange volume, 7-day moving average. Look, guys, we're getting an uptick on here again. So we've got the charts looking good. We've got the volume really starting to come in now. This is good. We want this uptrend to start moving up. This means that we can really trust this move here. And look at the size of the candle on it as well. The candle is huge, so if we've got volume back in this move up, even better for us. Let's have a look at the liquidation levels. This is where I wonder, are we going to get a pullback, a flush down before the move up? I'm not too sure, because right now, if we look one day, you're around about even. 7 days, you've got all that there. And on the 30-day, you can see the short squeeze. That candle here liquidated all the shorts within the 30 days. That was a monster move. So now we've got all these shorts, all these longs building up. 4.5 billion worth. Does price want to come down and have a quick flush down before? I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. If I look at here, this level keeps on standing out, 83. But again, like I said before, if you look at 83 looks there, but if you look it up on where we are now, it looks like nothing compared to what's above. So it might just leave that and go, you know, this is the next leg up for Bitcoin. All this liquidity up here, all this liquidity down there, you know, this is just a move up. So I'm hoping we see that move up. That'll be good. And if it flushes down, where can it flush down to? Oh, I'm not too sure. That 93, that 83 level, where's that? 83. Just below there. You know, it could come down for a retest and then move up. But what I prefer is right now it's showing such strength and it looks like it's starting to consolidate here, guys. It looks very similar to how this happened here. So if you look, remember, Bitcoin just went, had a wee dip down, a wee flush down just to flush out the move out and back up, then it consolidated. And it almost looks like bang, straight up. And it's holding against this 50%. You can see this 50% of the range, why it's so important. Prices come down, bounce back up. Prices come down, bounce back up. And if we look on the weekly here, you won't see this because this is in the weekly time frame, but if you show it on the weekly, you're also, so it's retesting this line and it's also retesting the bull market support. So things are looking solid here, guys. We've got the volume, we've got the candles. A bit of concern about the liquidations, but if we compare the liquidations to the top and the bottom on the big picture, you know, with this move, might not want to come down. And also we've got the global liquidity index as well. Let's have a look how that is looking on the daily. Let's pull this back down. Let's tighten it up. So you can see it might come down for a wee, you know, if we're just looking pure at this, it might come down for a wee flush down, maybe a deeper retest, which we're happy with, guys. We've got the breakout. We've got the breakout. I'm just, to be honest, looking for the ideal scenario. If we can get a weekly close above this, brilliant, because we can see on the dailies it's just retesting and it's holding its support. This is why the 50% level is such a key level to show, especially on a range, because it's at 50%, top half bullish, bottom half bearish, very simply put. But yeah, guys, Bitcoin's looking solid, brilliant. We've got the volume coming in, the candles are looking good. We just need a weekly close and see how things look there. So hi guys, if you like it, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. I know a lot of you guys have already subscribed, so brilliant, thanks very much. I do these daily updates and then I'll be back again same time tomorrow. Have a good one, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Cheers.